Hi, to change slow motion speed on iPhone 16e, of course, go in your camera app first. So right now we need to swipe right from photo mode to find slow-mo option. And now to be able to actually change its speed, on the top we need to change FPS. So now it is 120 FPS and we can click it and switch to 240 FPS. So this will also change speed of your slow-mo videos. Just take a look. This one is at 120 FPS. And this one is at 240 FPS. So you can immediately see changes, right? And also you can go in your phone settings. Here find camera, go in record slow-mo and change this setting from here. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.